Ladies and gentlemen, today I am here to speak upon the topic India as a superpower. As we all know that India is emerging as a good nation in the field of diplomacy, economic, and India is also taking the stand on the major international issues. And to become a superpower, I think India should take the three major steps. India should revive the relation with the Russia. They should improve the relation with the America, and they should resolve their relation with the China also. So first I will be talking about the improving the relation with the America. As we all know that our relation with the America is good at the present time in the leadership of Joe Biden, the current president of America. America has supported India on the many issues like the issue of the Kashmir and the Ladakh. At the issue of the Kashmir, they have opposed the Pakistan, and they have also taken action against the China on the issue of that Ladakh. So, and the past also in 2005, America supported us in the 2005 nuclear deal with signing with us. And also the ex-president Donald Trump has a good chemistry with our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So improving relation with the America will help us to boost our economy and the defense also, and they will also help us in these twin enemies in the form of China and Pakistan. They will take action with us. Now coming to the point of reviving the relation with the Russia. When we are talking about the Russia, earlier our relationship with the Russia in the 20th century was very good. All the tanks, aircrafts were from Russian origin. And also in the present time our relation with the Russia is not good as it was in the past, because we have tilted towards the America by joining this Quad and the other organization. So I think that we should improve our relation with the Russia so that it has a good relation with the eastern countries and Afghanistan and the China. So we will get the benefit and have a strong foot in the Afghanistan, and also we will reduction of the defense budget in the Chinese border. They will help us with improving our relation with the China. Now talking about the relationship with the China, the major issue with the China is our border issue. So we should improve this issue with the China so that we could minimize the defense budget and spend those money in the other fields. At last I want to conclude with the lines that we should make same distance with all these big powers of the world, and we should also take the action by own, and we should have our own agenda to become a superpower in the near future. Thank you, gentlemen.